Yeah, so I just got off the pool. It's proof. Yeah, I just got off the pool or whatever. So this is part 2 of me at the pool. Whatever. I'm gonna go get some food. Whatever. So y'all could come sit here while I, like to go get some food. But if you're cursing and all of that, do not mind it. It's like other grown-up people out here. Stuff. Yeah. But yeah, we gotta walk on the other side to go get food. Alright.
What you want anyway?
It looks like it's like rain. Excuse me. Y'all, I had got my zodiac sign necklace or whatever. Okay. Yeah. But I had got a zodiac sign bracelet. Yeah. Zodiac sign is Scorpio, so I got that. Yeah, that's about it. And I got on green, blue, and pink slide. And I need to see. I know this is for my blog. You want to look a mess in my video? Sure. I'll look at it. Yeah, but I got on this pink. I got on this pink, green, blue slide. It's like 3 colors on it. So yeah. Then I got on a blue slide. Then I got on a yellow slide. Then I got on a pink slide. And I was gonna get on a tornado, but I didn't because I was scared. I was scared. No, I don't want to, cause I'm gonna cut that. Y'all see me digging my own video. I don't care.
Oh my God! Wow, right.
It stank. It smell like butt. Where is they at? They all the way back there. I know. Lucky for me, I got lotion. It's okay.
Hey, what's that water?
Yeah.
Like that.
I might put all these videos in like one. It depends. Like I might delete the first video I made and then put the whole video into like one. You understand? You'll get it.
Yeah.
I know I did say I was going. I know I did say I was going to get back to y'all when I was halfway there. But my mother needed the GPS on her phone because I'm vlogging on her phone. Because my phone is in a car. I left my phone in the car because I thought I didn't really need it until I thought about my vlog. So I'm using her phone right now. So yeah. You see a lot of people do not mind it. Mommy, I want a hot dog. I changed my mind. I want a hot dog. Yeah, y'all, I'm getting a hot dog right now. So I'm gonna get to y'all once I'm done, like, you know, once I'm like done eating. So yeah, see y'all.